So in today's video, we'll be learning how to create this product manipulation design here on Pixellab. So I'll be pointing out everything I know in this video. So we'll be moving from Pixellab to PixArt to Lightroom. So everything we will walk through in this video. So if you are just joining us, remember to like this video and you subscribe. So let's get started. Here is all my resources. It is imported already. Okay, so you can see everything right here. So the first thing we need to do is the background. So how do we get the background? So actually the background is blurred at first, but how did I come about this? Let me explain. So I'll be coming to my PixArt. Okay, so welcome back to PixArt. So here is a real image. This is a real background from that I got from Google, from Pinterest. So now you just need to blur the background. So how do you come about it? You click on below here, you click on effects. So you see blur right here. So you can see all the entire image is blended. So you come above here and click on the eraser option. So come to your erase, then you can just adjust the size like this, just a little bit. Then you erase this part. Okay, so we only need this part to be visible. Okay, so the other parts are okay. So I'll click on OK, then I'll save my image. So let's move back to Pixellab. So now here is our image. So I'll click on OK, then I'll delete this previous one. Okay, so let's work with our previous design right here. So let's move the image to the front. So I want to get something close like this. Something like, do we have it close? Okay, so just adjust. I'm sorry. I want us to get something close. So you can just adjust like this. So what you need, when you increase a size, it's advisable you make a copy of it and you delete the first one. So we are going to use this one. So just adjust it a bit like this. Let's see if we are getting what is close. So let's adjust it the more. Okay, so we get something close like this. So just select the image, the background I mean. So then you click on alignment. So you align it to the center, then click on OK. So we need to lock this and move it to the back. So the next thing we are doing is to bring some of the elements. So I forgot to import this. So I'll come like this and adjust. So we only need this size like this. So click on OK. So now we have something like this. Want to use it to blend this part. So if you are following, remember to like this video. Okay, so we'll be increasing it. So do we really get something? So increase it like this, somewhere around here. So want it to have this kind of feelings. You will understand why I'm adding it. Okay, so let's work with the design. So you can see on the previous design, you can see the fill right there. So then let's lock this, and let's move it down here like this. So we have something like this. Let's work on the position a bit. So now you come to your shape right here, then you want to select gradient. You just click on this plus icon and click on it. So we'll be creating a color gradient fill for it. So come to this first option right here, then come to your color. So you remove this touch slider down here, then click on OK. So to this one, you click on it and you select black. So you click on OK, then you can adjust your work like this. So click on OK, and let's see if we can get something like this. So we are really close, just little fair. So click on OK and we lock this. So we can adjust this a bit. So we want to have the green filling. So you can also reduce the opacity for this if it's too much. Okay, so click on OK. So the next thing we are doing is to import the product itself. So we'll be clicking on this product and you adjust it like this. Just work on the size that works best for you. So let's adjust it a bit. Come to your alignment, click on center line. So you can see it. So but if you notice, it's not really sitting well on the stone. So this is what you do. You come to your shape, come to your shape option, then you click on circle. So you move the opacity like this, increase the stroke, and come to your blur radius, increase it to extreme like this. So then you adjust it like this. Okay, so make sure it is closed. Okay, I'm sorry, it is distorted. So make sure the circle is closed like this. So you then click on OK. So you want to use it to blend the product like this, just like this. So you just move it behind the product, so it's a bit realistic now. You can adjust it if possible. So here we have it. So let's lock this also. So now we are importing this orange right here. So just move the orange like this, then you move it to the back of the product. So just work on the position. You can move it to the back of this shadow again. So I'm sorry, you move it to the back of this shadow, so we can give it a better feel. You just come to your, make sure you are clicking out of the background. So you come to your draw option, then you increase your blur radius like this, leave your pen size to this, and you click on black. So we're having black already. So then let's zoom out like this. Let's give it this kind of soft shadow like this. So then you click back and click on OK. So we are going to move this down. So it's at the front of the orange fruit. Okay, so you come to your opacity again and you reduce it. You can just adjust it if it's not working well. So it's not really Oh, sorry, forgot to lock this. So come to the shadow and you adjust it like this. I hope you've seen the difference. So then let's lock everything that I've done right here. So what are we doing again? So it's time to add some spice to it. So you come right here. So we enable this and you increase it like this. So you can just rotate it, just depending on your choice. Just rotate it like this. So I want it to have this kind of feelings. So something like this. Then click on lock. So this, all the resources will be linked on our Telegram channel. Okay, so you access everything. So you can also engage on the Telegram group. So you reduce this and give it the best position. Okay, so you do it like this. So for this one, you need to move it down, down, down. I hope you see the difference. I hope you can see the difference. It's like it's blended with the, you can even move it down to this. I hope you can see the difference. Let's move it up. You can see the difference, and to the back, just like this, and you see the difference. So that's how you get that part. Okay, so you can just lock it. So let's see if we are done. So now it remains the text. So I just got a dummy text from Lorenzo. So you can just move this to the front. So this is just a dummy text. Just type Lorenzo generator. So you found this and I got this from there. So I just adjust it like this. Come to my alignment. So I click on center alignment, then I align the whole text. So you can just everything to your taste. Let's do this. So then click on alignment and so now you are good to go. Let's save our design and move to Lightroom. Okay. Now here's our design. So we want to do some color filters to it. So this is my gallery right here. So you click on share, then I love to share from here because I don't need to start finding it from my Lightroom. So I click on share Lightroom. So it's going to be added to my Lightroom. So it's added to my album. So I'll just move to my Lightroom right here, and here's it. Okay, so clicking on this. So there are varieties of options right here, but for this tutorial, maybe in the next video I'll be explaining more about Lightroom. So I'll be using presets. These presets are really cool. You can, so this is the user preset. This is the one I created for this particular one. So this is one and this is the other. So I think I'm loving this. Okay, so you can just come back it right here and you click on done above here, then you click on share, then you save to your gallery. So now your image is saved, or you can just, let's undo this, come to your presets. So you see color, these are the presets for colors. You see, let's try this out. So they are really nice and great. So that's how I come about